Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Catherine, and in today's video I will be showing you guys a little bit more into detail on how I went to the island of Capri. A lot of you have been asking me how did I get there, how much did it cost, so this video will cover that. It will cover what part of Italy did I go from to get to Capri, since it's an island and you got to take a boat there. I will tell you guys how much it was, everything that I did there. I would even show you guys the little tour that I did around the island of Capri on a boat, and that was really fun. Let me know in the comments below if you guys went from a different location and how much did you guys pay, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hey guys, we're about to go to Capri, Italy, and this is the port. We drove from Positano to Sorento, which this is Sorento, and it was about like 30 minutes from Positano. Or you can come from Naples, which is not too far either. And this is the boat that we're gonna get on. It's a speed boat, and I think it's 14 euros. I'll write it up here and let you guys know how much it actually was. And it's supposed to be about like a 20-minute ride. So I'll show you guys when I get there how it looks in Capri. Hey guys, so as soon as we arrived in Capri, Italy, right in front of the docking station, they have this tour. It's called the Blue Grotto Laser Capri, and for 18 euros they'll literally take you around the whole island, as you can see here. So all the best spots to the Blue Grotto, to different parts for you to swim and things like that. So I thought you guys might be interested if you're ever in Capri, Italy. It's really easy to get into. So guys, we just got on the boat to tour the island of Capri. It's very pretty. It's a 1-hour tour.
Caratteristici come dappertutto, la vela Capri e la Capri naturale. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Capri on the street and shop. It's the same of the other town. The town is the nature, is the Grotto, is the wonderful sea. Guardate questo affronto a destra, bellissimo, vedete come cambiano le tonalità in base alla natura del fondo, se è sabbioso o se è roccioso. Look at the different tonality, where you see deep blue, turquoise, green, depend on the nature of the bottom, from the sand on the rock. Allora, signori, un momentino guardando in alto a destra, 200 metri dal livello del mare, l'arco naturale. Just in front of us, the little entrance and exit to Blue Grotto. Blue Grotto is a national museum. Normally you go in, you pay an additional ticket, 14 euro. Sorry, 16 euro, cioè 16 euro a persona. This moment the service is finished because the effect inside is not very strong. And when the boat crossed the arch, we change again. We change again to the arch of love, we stay with your partner for a lifetime. Ladies Sì, vogliamo andare dentro l'arco? You want to go into the arch? Yes or no? Oh my God. This is my God. Ready, steady, he went, and two and now, 245, and 3, hit, arch.
These people are in the water and I have no idea like where Grotto is. I don't even know how they got there. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Support the channel and click on this video right here, Capri walking tour. It's actually my most viewed video. Let me know in the comments below what you think.